morning, marvelous entrepreneurs. How are you all doing? I hope all are safe. Well, in case if you're watching live, type in hashtag live, and if you're watching it as a replay, type hashtag replay. Today we are going to discuss on the content, what content to post, when, and where, and why. So this content, hi, good morning. So this content strategy will help you in designing your content plan. Because we hear a lot of advisors like post value, post value, post value, right? Every mentor, every coach, every trainer, every classes advise people to post value. But posting value alone will not fetch you leads. It will not get you the traffic or the leads or the clients or the sales what you are looking for. Of course, value is needed, but then you need to have your offer ready. You need to have a proper content plan. But first and foremost, you should know to whom are you putting forth this content for. That is, who is your target audience. That is very, very important. We had already discussed how to frame, how to design on your customer avatar or customer profile. So you need to work on this. I hope you have worked. In case if you haven't, then it's high time you work on it. Because your customer profile decides everything, the marketing message, the communication, what you're doing, the content strategy, and even the messages, your offer, your product, all this is dependent on your customer avatar. So customer avatar is really, really important. Okay, now coming back to our content, we told that okay, you need to post value, but then like, do you know like what is the purpose of posting one content? Are you doing it for awareness, or are you posting the content for the consideration? Is it for engagement or education, or is it for exciting your audience? Is it for conversion purpose, that is to get more sales? So what is the main purpose behind your content posting, for which you need to have a proper content plan and then a content strategy. So it all depends upon your where your customers are at the moment. Are you new in the market, or have you been serving an audience for some time now? If you are new, what is the stage of your customer? Like, are they cold customers? Are they warm? Are they hot? Do you have your ideal prospects in your audience group? So you have to consider all these factors. And once you are ready with all these factors, say for example, if they are in the awareness stage, then you have to put forth posts where like you inform them about your product in general or the industry, like what are the benefits of using those type of products, not in particular about your specific offer. I'm not talking about your offer here. Say for example, coaching online. So what are the benefits of getting coached online? Or if it is affiliate marketing, so uh, how they will be benefiting out of affiliate marketing, what are the aspects that they need to consider about affiliate marketing. So Based on what you do, you have to inform them about uh, the all the educational posts which create an awareness among your target audience about that particular service or the product what you are offering. Now once you do this for some time, your audience knows what it is about the industry, about the trends, about the benefits. Okay, now they are ready to listen to your offer. So it is only at this point you have to present your offer, your specific courses or products or programs or services, whatever you are offering. Now here, like, they are already interested little bit, so you talk about the benefits of your specific product or service. You can post the testimonials, your results, what is the advantage that you have received after using this particular product or service, and so on, and what makes your product special or different from your competitors. So these are all the post ideas which you can consider in this consideration stage. Okay, now your audience knows what's going on in your industry. They know what your product or service is all about. And now it's time for you to pitch your offer. Now ask for conversion. So here you can give all your um, special offers, bonus, commissions. You can talk about the discounts or festive offers and things like that. And that is how you get the conversion done. So there are a lot of factors that you need to consider and plan before you start posting your content. Randomly posting some value content or randomly asking for talking about your offers or randomly pitching will not bring you results. See, for a very long time I also thought, okay, if I provide value, I'll get leads, I'll get sales, and I used to give value, but without having any proper content plan. But once I understood the the science behind the content planning, the content strategy, then I changed the way I post. The I have a specific content plan and a strategy, and based on that, I decide what post should go at what stage, and that totally changed the results, because audience who got interested, whom earlier I thought were not interested in my products, they started showing up, they started asking for advice, questions, they started coming for the product or the service. So this is one small tip, but an important tip regarding your content posting. You need to plan it properly and post. If you have any questions on this particular topic, don't hesitate to post it in the comments, and we shall do a detailed training on that. So with that, I'm signing off. Stay safe and stay marvelous. Bye-bye.